We are Big Orange 3D, and for our senior design project, we utilize 3D concrete printing to engineer a gravity anchor, which could be mass-produced and used to hold down floating solar panels in the Pacific Ocean.
One of the more challenging aspects of our design was accounting for the highly corrosive ocean environment. Saltwater exposure accelerates material degradation, especially for metals and even certain concrete mixes over time. Because of this, we had to carefully consider material selection, durability, and long-term performance. This influenced decisions like using corrosion-resistant materials, testing different concrete mixes, designing for reduced maintenance, and ensuring the structure can perform reliably throughout its intended lifespan.
One of the biggest positive outcomes I received as a member of our team was the development of relationships. The 5 team members of Big Orange 3D were friends and acquaintances before CE 399 began. However, after completing the preliminary design, the schematic design, the 50% design development, the 100% design development, and the 95% construction documents, I can say without a doubt the 5 of us have become much closer than we've ever been before. I believe these friendships that we have built and fostered will last our entire lives, and we will continue to connect after graduating on a personal and professional level.
Our team provided a thorough site assessment and custom steel pad-eye design to benefit our client. Previously, our client's operations were centered on freshwater reservoirs. To diversify our client's project portfolio, our project served as a proof of concept that delivered the research and design criteria required for future deep ocean solar initiatives. Furthermore, by developing a custom steel pad-eye based on our site's loading conditions, we have empowered the client to bring their design and manufacturing work in-house. This will provide long-term cost and time savings and will ensure more quality control for future anchor projects.
My name is Ben Holley. I was the team leader for this project. My experience in senior design holds true for everybody in my group. It was definitely not easy. It was definitely frustrating at times, but I know that all of us will benefit from it in great ways. We learned how to cooperate with mentors. We learned how to work together well as a team, even though we all had different strengths and different weaknesses. But the most important part to me was the relationships that I built with everybody on my team. I know that these friendships will last a very long time, and I hope to stay connected with them.